Okay. Here's another one. After we...
Part 4.
Yeah, part 4.
Which ones?
4? Wow.
Which ones do you want?
I don't care.
Okay.
So we're going to do another orange challenge. Afterwards, we will do a burping contest. Does that sound good? Because I got a request from someone saying, why don't you do it without it being sped up? And, of course, I'll listen to you. Just send my request. Ooh, this is dripping. But,
Are you getting a head start?
let's start after I pull this out words.
Alright.
And,
I got an unevenness. Look at that. It was like that big, and it was that big.
good luck is all I can tell you. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Where's my...
Ooh.
That was my first. Oh.
Wow, that took less than a minute.
Yay!
Congratulate yourself. Yay!
It's
I
in
got
my
a bruise on
nose.
my hand.
It's in my nose. You're trying to make me jump. Or we could just make random ass sounds. Nope, I'm not gonna do it. I was about to just keep going.
No.
I just want to say something. Okay.
No! You're all juicy! Wipe it on yourself. Do I look like a personal towel?
I'm sticky now.
I have hand sanitizer.
And okay, so
Juice me. Share. Dude. Fucking share. No, I pour it.
stop! Give it!
Come on!
Come on! I'll sanitize my leg. Ow! It feels so... La la la. Okay, so that's my thing. That is.
Ugh, gross.
Sound is like oh. Yeah, you know, it tastes kind of like oatmeal.
Ugh! You didn't even eat oatmeal today, dude.
Or yesterday.
Ew, that's gross.
No.
Close up.
Nasty, nasty, bro.
Do you like that?
No.
Smells like oranges.
That tastes like coffee.
Ugh!
Ew, and oranges. Everything tastes like oranges. Bye.
Oh. I gotta brew one up.
Shh. Hey, do you see that belly around us? You're making us go on a I'm gonna make a beautiful poem. so dead. So far, I think the cup goes to you, but you need a little trophy.
Oh, I almost threw up.
Yeah, I can tell. Oh, my stomach, I can feel it. I can feel my abs coming in.
Or that 6-pack of Jello.
I eat too much Jello. There's always a little wiggle room. Or wiggle. Sponsor. Oh my god. I ate too many oranges.
She's like,
I feel better. I actually feel like I just woke up. Just like, oh, so refreshing. Like 7.
I rate that a 9.5.
What, mine? Well, I also got the surprise in there. That was a nice, strong sounding one.
I like the little hand motion. Yeah.
The faces we're making though.
Is this just freedom?
I'm making it sound weird. You gotta just say your burp.
Do you ever burp so much that you feel like you're like lightheaded? Comment below if you ever do, or if you don't. Say that's weird if you never do. This motherfucker just might throw up.
There's a trash can right there if I need to. Don't worry. Then I can take that bag. I'm gonna attempt. Okay, what should I try? What should I try to say?
Yeah.
No. Oh, you know how you couldn't completely chew the orange? It was choking me. God. I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry.
That lasted what, 2 seconds?
I'm gonna see how long I can get mine. That was like.
Out of all that. We should make it sound like we're puking. Let's do it back some.
So we can.
Take a bow.
I feel about coming then. My stomach. leave it on, but I still feel more. Coming back for the seconds. Oh, that's so nasty. Oh. No. I think you might actually need it.
I'm actually threw up a little bit.
That's what I've been doing every time it do. It is all oranges. Everything's oranges and oatmeal and coffee. I didn't even have oatmeal for the past week. Oh my god. Alright, we got
I didn't do
one
it.
more big burp. Alright. Boss battle. Let's do this.
Oh.
You needed the garbage can for that one. Oh. Alright.
Oh, that hurt
Okay.
so bad.
Okay.
You should
Wow.
do us a favor. Comment, subscribe, like,
Favorite.
video response, favorites,
Add to a playlist if you want.
share, tweet it, Facebook it, share with everybody you freaking know.
Instagram.
Love you.